Japanese sausage, omelette, rice for brunch.
Online class is done, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm trying to help him. But he doesn't know. He doesn't even know the. Oh, that's very nice. Wow.
Omelette and Japanese sausage with chili and vinegar. Brunch, Daddy.
See, that's like this. Remember I told you? That was how many friends do I have? How many friends? You said 5, right? This is your walang pasok, right? And this is your kamay. Right? Mom, you gotta help him. We already did. Check this to make sure this is right. We did this one, me and him. Can you check and make sure it's right?
What the teacher said, basahin ang...
No, we have home. We have this one and this one. We did this one. We need for you to check it, make sure it's okay.
It says, basahin ang mga pangusap, bilugan ang pangalang ginamit dito. I will send you this, Daddy. This is black coffee. No sugar, no cream. Just black. For Daddy.
Ow!
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, sorry.
You did really good today in your stuff. You talk louder, okay?
This is where we online class. Where we do the online class. Go eat now your food. Go eat your food. Team just missed the class yesterday or the other day. Today is Saturday. Oh, Daddy.
Yes.
So he
Tim
made
just completed his Tagalog class and he's doing really good. He answered 3 out of 4 and he did really good. We did 1 page of his homework and we have another one left. And he did it really good. Put it here, buddy. The only thing Tim needs to do is work on talking a little louder. But other than that, he did really good.
Go eat now.
Pupunta lang kami sa City Mall kasi punta kami ng City Mall kasi nabibigyan kami na mga pagkain pang stock. Kasi si Tim lagi yung sausage ang hinahanap. Di na sausage at tuna. Nagpalit lang ako ng jogging pants. Ito pa rin yung t-shirt ko. And then nagkikilay lang ako ng kaunti. Nag-sunscreen ako. Yung SPF 50. Whitening from Korea. Konting kilay. Yan. Bibili lang kami ng kaunting grocery. Mag-grocery lang kami. Ilagay lang ko ng konting sunscreen. Ito pa rin yung t-shirt ko. At nagmas lang ako at naka-face shield ako mamaya. Kung maayos yung kilay ko pag mabilisan. Okay na yan? Hindi pantay. Ito nga palang pang kilay ko ay Cosmetic Art. Colored Soft Cosmetic Art. Shade is brown. From ano to? Shopee. Hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan ng seller. Yan, okay na. Punta na kami ng grocery store. Bye.
A few moments later.
I keep talking to me about going to college and doing stuff, but my experience, reading's, it's not math that's that important, because you got to be able to read. You have to be able to read, whether it's English or Tagalog. You got to be able to read.
I don't know if Tim really wants to learn or he just
He's
wants...
just a little boy.
He don't wanna learn because I could see he's not really focusing.
Babayad pa naman ako sa kuryente. Bakit bumaba ang kuryente? Dati ay 10,000, ngayon ay 7,000.
Vienna sausage is here. Corned beef is there. Only 5 left. Okay. Should we make 6? There's one more. Yeah. Some oil. Canola oil. May vitamins ito pa sa bata. Yung chewable. Silin Plus po. Silin. No, I'm done. How much you're shopping?
4,000 something.
You know, I got the vitamin C. It's the expensive one, the Silin Plus. Because Silin Plus has zinc inside the vitamin C. So it's 650 per box. But I got I used my card. My card has 200 peso points, and they less the 200, so it's 450. Do you use my card? Maybe it has a lot of points already.
Nope, that's probably.
But you always use it. You should tell the cashier to check my points.
I will.
Then you minus the shop. Like what I did to my vitamins.